If you've got eggnog in the fridge, you need to make this eggnog pound cake. It's buttery, soft, and tastes exactly like Christmas. Start by creaming your butter and sugar until it's super light and airy, and I like to add in a little bit of oil for extra moisture. Add in your eggs, vanilla, and rum extract. You can throw in a splash of rum if you're feeling festive. Then whisk together your dry ingredients and start alternating the dry ingredients with your eggnog. You want to mix just until your dry ingredients are just barely mixed in. That way you don't overmix your batter. You're going to want to prep your bun pan with some baking spray. You can pour in that silky batter into your bun pan. Bake this cake until it's nice and golden and your kitchen smells amazing. And we're going to top it with a super easy eggnog glaze and a sprinkle of nutmeg. This eggnog pound cake is pure holiday magic. It's so rich and cozy. I'm officially declaring this the cake of the season. If you're not a fan of eggnog, this cake just might convert you. Great centerpiece for your holiday table or just a way to enjoy eggnog in a different way this season. I hope you'll give this cozy bake a try this year. Let me know what you think. The recipe's on my site, ShanaeToday.com.